In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make recycled DIY toys for toddlers out of things from your kitchen. I bet you all know what this one is. And this video was posted live on Facebook on London Art Nanny. So find me there, like the page, and stay tuned for more live videos like this one. Hi guys, I'm Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make DIY toys out of recycled material that you already have at home. No brainer, right? I bet all of you know this box. I'm not going to say the brand. I love eating it, but this is not a commercial, so I'm not going to speak any more about that. But I like using these ones because the material is quite hard. The lid is transparent, so you can use it for a lot of things, and yeah, it's strong material. And what we made out of this week was these rocket ships. And if you've been following London Art Nanny on YouTube, if you don't already, please do. You've seen this painting and how we made that. This is one of our most popular paintings, our most popular project for kids, because it's quite easy to do and it's fun and you can use different techniques. And yeah, so that's the galaxy night painting that we made. So the natural step onwards from there was to make a rocket ship. And the fun thing about this is that you can open it up, you can put your toys inside, put the lid back on, and fly your toys to the moon. And the trickiest part with this project was making the cone. So I glued it on the lid like that around it. And to make the cone itself, I cut out a semicircle out of this metallic paper. Of course, you can use any kind of paper. I suggest it to be a little bit harder than the usual A4s. And then you bend it into a cone like that. And what I did was to fold it together. I didn't use glue. I put a tiny piece of tape from the inside like that. And then I bent it a bit from here and I bend it over like this. I'm not sure if you can see this so clearly, but I hope you get the point. And then just bend it a little bit over the edge like this to secure it, because you don't want it to break straight away. They should be able to play with it for a bit before it breaks. So yeah, I taped that together, and then you can see, so the circle needs to be quite a lot bigger than the lid itself. If you can see on the table, it's like that much on the outsides, and then cut it in half so that it can reach all around the lid. The cone part, this part needs to go all the way around it like that. And then you can just use normal PVA glue and put the PVA glue around the edge. I prefer using, let's see if this one is heating up. It needs to heat up a little bit more, I think. So I use the hot glue gun. Let's let this one heat up for a little bit. It's a bit tricky to use hot glue guns with kids as well, because you know, you have to be quite fast and it gets really hot. This part gets really hot. So let's let that one heat up for a bit. So what I started off with was covering the outside with a white paper, so it will be like a clean canvas to start painting and decorating. And then they can write their names, they can draw this kind of, oopsie, sorry, that kind of circle in the middle and draw themselves inside of it as astronauts. And we made this type of circles and lines with the same kind of metallic paper. But of course, again, you decorate yours the way you want to. I think this glue should be ready now, so we put all the way around like this. And when this one has melted, it does not take long at all for it to dry. So this one you need to do quite quickly. Then you take the cone and you place it on top and press it in. And I believe this one actually is more or less dried already, so you can't really adjust it. Once it's there, it's there. And that's the cone. And then you just simply add it on top like that. And it will stay on, that's the fun thing, so they can play around with it. And you know, what I like about these kind of projects is that usually when you buy toys, they are interested in the toys for about, I don't know, a couple of days, and then it's just tossed in the corner with the other toys, and it's basically just creating junk. But when you do recycled material DIY toys, eventually when they get bored of them, you don't need to feel that bad about throwing them out, because it's recycled material anyway, so it doesn't matter and doesn't create more waste, it reduces waste. So hold on, I think I'm running low on battery, so I think I'm running low on battery, so I think we're gonna round this up here while I still have battery. But if you guys want to see more, jump onto YouTube, subscribe to the channel London Art Nanny. I'll put a link below. Also, if you want to take part of the group, it's called Moms and Dads Are Creatives. I put a link below to that as well, so that you can join and share your projects with us if you want to, or you can just get inspired by other people's craftings. Share your own or just get inspired, up to you. Of course, I wish for everyone to take part, but yeah. I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye!